Check this Greenlight out. This is a very beautiful Mustang that we are going to crack open today. Welcome everyone, thank you for tuning in to another video. Here is this Heritage Racing from Greenlight Series 2, and it's a 1968 Ford Mustang. Look at that beauty. So I'm gonna get my kitchen scissors to rip this plastic open. Let's do it. There it is. Cut all up the sides of it so we can open it up more nicely. So there it is. This 68 Ford Mustang in that beautiful blue. That was something that captured my attention. So there it is. Look at that blue, man. Very beautiful. And the hood opened as well. Let's see if we can get this hood open. There you go. Do the doors open as well? No, not the doors, just the hood. That brown on the side is awesome. It has some temples on the side that read Pure. It has other logos, can't really tell, but there you can pause the video and read them. John McComb, must be his car. There is the engine inside, chromed. So there it is, 33 on the hood as well as on the trunk. So very beautiful car. Check those rubber wheels out. Awesome. Greenlight does very great models. Very cool diecast. So we got the lights, the logo, or the back, the bumper. Then on the front as well, you got the lights. You got a little bit of a, is it a license plate? No license plate. And then the windows are open. Black interior. But look at that blue. That's awesome. So there were several of them. So here are the ones from this series 2, 2017 Ford GT, 1966 number 4 Ford GT40 MK2 Tribute. Second one is 2017 Ford GT, 1966 number 7 Ford GT40 MK2 Tribute. Next one, 2017 Ford GT, 1967 number 4 Ford GT40 MK4 Tribute, and then 1967 Shelby GT350 number 23 Charlie Kemp. And then the one we have, 1968 Ford Mustang number 33 John McComb. And the last, 1968 Ford Shelby Mustang number 1 Jerry Titus and Ronnie Bucknam. And you guys gotta apologize. I have to apologize, guys, because I have no clue to who these people are, these racers. But I like the car. You know what? You can never go wrong with a Mustang and the Greenlight brand. So this was one of those Mustangs that I had to get, and got it really at a good price. So there it is, the Heritage 1968 Ford Mustang. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Tell me in the comments below if you guys collect Greenlights. What is your favorite casting that you have found to this day? I'm going to be reading the comments so we can have a quick chat. So I hope everyone has a great day. Good luck hunting, grow your collection, and everyone have a great day. Peace.